show you how you can transfer the rewards points from one credit card to another. So that way, as you can see here, this is my previous credit card, 1005, and 3001 is the new one. So here I have like $200 is like 20,000 points, as you can see, and I want to use it with a new one. So the problem that I was having is oh, let me. Okay. The problem I was having is I want to try to make a payment with the points that I had, and I couldn't. So I had to call American Express. I have to call or talk with Amazon, and nobody knew anything. So with Amazon, it's a disaster. So I was talking with like easily like 20 different guys, and they keep changing, from one guy to another. So here you see, okay, don't worry, I'll transfer to you to another guy. I'll transfer you to another guy, and okay, I think this is the previous very old conversation. Let me talk. The thing is, this one. Yeah, here I was talking. You see, another guy, and so on. So basically, after talking with 20 different guys, they told me this. The first thing I have to do with the new credit card, I have to make a purchase. Make any purchase, you have to wait at least 48 hours, 24, 48 hours. Once you wait that, you're going to be able to transfer the points from the old credit card to the new credit card. So now I have to wait at least 48 hours and see how it goes, but that is what they told me in order to be able to do that. So I bought something small, and now for the big thing, I'll wait and I'll see if I can use that with the new credit card. When you call American Express, they don't know anything, so it's a disaster completely. And they told me even to call the other guys, US Bank, at least they are not dealing with Amazon, looks like, anymore. They are going to use US Bank. They didn't know anything. So basically, if you do this, for instance, this is the link that you're going to need. I'll try to leave it in the video description. Amazon.com/hp/shop with points/servicing. When you go there, you will see this that says link now. You click link now, click apply by default, enroll. Here you're going to see an error because, like I said, they told me you have to wait 24, 48 hours. So after I do that, everything should work. But again, first make a small purchase and then wait 48 hours, and then after that click on the link now, and then it should work. So that's it for now. Hopefully this video was useful. If you have any question, please let me know in the section below. See you next time.